Have you ever had an amazing idea for software business but felt stuck because you don't know how to code? And if yes, you are not alone because most of us have been there. A lot of great ideas but no skill for coding and things like that. And you may have also thought that you need a lot of experience with coding and a learning curve to start your SaaS business, or maybe hire a developer for tens of thousands of dollars to start your SaaS business. And you might also have Googled how to start a SaaS business and felt overwhelmed because of the complexity. But you are not alone. Because I was in the same situation, I had many ideas but lacked the technical background. And I thought I can't do it, and this dream was out of my reach. But last year I came across this amazing software that lets you white label it and sell it at your own pricing. And it has led me to generate multiple opportunities and multiple streams of income. Hello, my name is Tumto Zira, founder of QuickSync and SaaS agency startups. And in this video, I'll show you how to get started with SaaS without any tech skill and build your very own SaaS business. So there are lots of no-code software builders out there like Bubble.io, and also a lot of some boilerplate options where you can create mini SaaS softwares with ease, which you can build and sell. But the problem with going that way is that you'll have to come up with product ideas, do market research, think about problems your software will be solving. Then after you build the software, you'll have to market it, and if you're lucky, you'll get a few clients. And the problem here is that apart from taking a lot of time and resources, there's no guarantee that your product will be sold and you will be getting clients for that. That's why the best way to get started with a SaaS business is to pick a software that already is working in the market and has all the features that businesses would need and can be white labeled directly and sold. You don't need to validate the product or reinvent the wheel because the product is already in demand and it's working. The only a little bit of problem you will have with is marketing. And for that, the best software out there and the one that I'm selling is GoHighLevel. Here's why it is the best platform. It's an all-in-one platform with hundreds of features that you can customize according to your niche market's need and resell it. It's also affordable compared to hiring a developer and building a software from scratch. And also you don't have to give much time on building the software because it is pre-built. All you have to do is choose a feature, as I told you, according to the niche market that you are targeting and trying to sell to, create some automations around it, repackage the features and sell it to your customers. And if you're ready to try it out, I have the perfect free course for you named Quick SaaS Launch, where I show you the fastest way to get started with GoHighLevel, build your offer, and start marketing your software. You'll also get access to my free community where I share tips on scaling your business. You don't have to sign up for the course, you can just join the group directly and the course is available inside there too. I'll leave the link to the course and the community in the description. Alright, now let's talk about some features about GoHighLevel and the features around which you can build your offer and start selling. So the number one is the most common feature that all businesses need, that is websites and funnels. And if you haven't checked it, you can go to Google and make a search on different businesses around your niche, and you'll find that there are still so many businesses out there who don't have a website for their business. And even if some of the businesses have the websites, their websites are not good looking and not conversion optimized and lacks many modern features that modern website needs nowadays. And number two, my best selling feature, that is reputation management. This is a feature where you help business with growing their reputation, like Google reviews, Facebook reviews, and other reviews for other platforms. So this is the best feature I think you can get started with if you're planning on starting selling GoHighLevel. And the next one is missed call text back alert. So this one is a simple feature, but now more advanced features have been introduced into GoHighLevel, but this feature can also still be sold out there to businesses. And apart from that, you can sell AI chatbots, AI employee. I'll talk about it in my next video or maybe the next one after that. Online store builders, just like Shopify. And you can also market your software around the features like email marketing, SMS marketing, feature of GoHighLevel. The next one is WhatsApp integration, social media scheduling feature, and then you have course and community builder, voice AI, and IVRs. And besides all this, you can connect all these features and create a powerful automation for businesses so that they can generate leads and you can sell this feature to businesses. Now let's talk a little bit about how to get started with GoHighLevel. So the first step is to sign up for GoHighLevel, and for that you can use my affiliate link. I'll leave it in the description. And number two, do a little research and find out the niche that you'd like to serve. And if you like some help with that, I have another video that I posted a few months ago. You can find the link to the video in the card above. And anyway, the most favorable niche that you can sell GoHighLevel to are local and small businesses. You can either choose the whole local business niche or go for smaller niches under it. For example, home and maintenance, legal services, beauty salons, doctors, chiropractors, physiotherapy centers, gyms, etc. etc. And number three, set up your account. And for that, you can use my free course where I've showed how to do it in a step-by-step way. All you'll have to do is set up your account, your domain, a simple one-page website, an appointment calendar, and some simple automations, website forms, and things like that. It's all there in my free course. And number four, start prospecting, outreaching, networking, doing marketing to generate clients and leads for your software business. And if you have enough budget, you can also run ads, which can help you get started quicker and can help you get customers faster. But most of the time, I recommend doing it the organic way so that you can give a little bit of time for yourself to learn the software well and give better services to your customers. And now, as I mentioned earlier, all these steps are covered in my free course. If you follow the exact steps I've shared in my free course, you can set up your SaaS business within a few months. That is not in the building stage, but the revenue stage. But it won't be easy. You'll have to put in the work and follow the steps, do the marketing and all those things. But it's better than getting started from scratch and building your own software. And one more thing, the free course is just the beginning. If you sign up using my affiliate link, I help my affiliates personally with technical setups and all those things, and also tips on the marketing and generating more clients for their software business. Now all you have to do is have the will to get started and walk the SaaS entrepreneur journey and put in the work that's needed to be successful. Now if you'd like to see more content on videos like this and GoHighLevel tutorials, tips, ideas and things like that, subscribe to my channel and watch the next video to learn why I quit blogging and started SaaS instead.